Hey everyone, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first I want to refer to my last video. We had update when the price was around here. We were looking for buy. If we refer to my last video, exactly when the price was here within this move, I mentioned that any buy we can take it, and as long as the price come to this level, we start to manage it. We have a few opportunity with the small flag, which I was mentioning. Okay, this is what we were looking for, and as we can see, the price come out even they broke this top but reverse. That's why I was keep highlighting, if we get any buy, as long as the price come to this level, we need to start to manage it. All right, no, we can see the price come and reverse. No, we want to see what's the next, how we can trade it. Okay, since last a few days we were looking for buy, and we were discussing how we can about the trade. Now the thing is, we're looking for this, we want to see whether we can get the next move or not. But before that, how deep this one can go, because we were talking about this one as a correction in relative to this. Okay, now the thing is, can even I mentioned that maybe this move can be same length as this, may not. Okay, that's why I'm mentioning, we know we need to know how deep it can go and how complex this one can be. Even we need to look for overall picture. Now first we talk about this. Okay, since we're looking for buy, how we can trade it. All right, and as I see, we need to know how deep this one can go. In this case, it's better I move to 15 minutes, it will be more clear. Okay, now the thing is, since the price haven't broke this low, okay, any buy from here, if we get within this range, we need to be quite careful that may the price come to this level for the next reverse. Because if the price break this low, it can give us a better confirmation that may the buy we get is the one is going to break this top. But without breaking this low, we need to bear in mind that even we get the buy, if the price come to this level, we need to start to manage. Why? Because of the possibility we get 1, 2, 3 in the middle relative to this for the one move down before we look for buy. But anyway, we are not sure which one will be and how deep this one can go. In this case, any buy within this range, we take it. We need to get the buy setup, at least a sharp up move or with the flag. But as long as we get into profit, as long as we came to the near to this high, or we see the price is not moving fast, consolidating, we take out the trade. Okay, and maybe we should look for, as example, if we see any sharp move flag or similar to any of this. Okay, in this case, I move to 1 hour chart. As I see, we are looking for buy, and but the only thing is how deep this one can go and how corrective this one can be. And maybe we get this correction for the one move down before we take the up move, or the price can move from here. This is what we are talking. And any buy within this range, as long as the price come to this level, we start to manage. But right now we don't have it any buy. Okay. Now, one more thing I need to highlight here, that even we get the buy, whether we get the up move from here, okay, or the price come to this level, we get the up move from here. All right, even if the price broke this high and come to this high and break this top, still we need to bear in mind that we will have this correction as a running flat for the bigger correction I'm talking about. That means whether the price from here start or this on lower, we get one move up, if the price come to break this high, still we need to be aware of what this. May I move to forward chart, because right now I'm talking, the first analysis was about only this. Okay, now we are talking about the bigger picture. May also we get the, we're talking about this big picture, because the possibility we get the buy and this is the one is going to break the top and continue. And also we have, this is the first option. Also we have the another option that even we get the buy from here, or even the price break the low, or even we get the more complex correction here, even there is a possibility that price can break this top and move a bit, even a bit higher to this level. Again, we get the reverse, because at that time we will face really big correction before we get the up move. Hopefully, if we get any buy, up move is from here. We don't wait for the bigger correction. In that case, we need to, it takes longer time. Okay. Anyway, what I want to talk about the bigger correction is this. if we move to here forward chart, maybe we can expect to get one move here down, I mean the correction here similar to this, then we will be within this correction, and the price can break, come to near to the top, or even break the top, even break this top, then we get one move down, 1 2 3, before we get the up move. Okay, if we get this one, it become really complex. Okay, that's why I say hopefully the price can move from here. Okay, now what I want to say first, we need to, if you're looking for buy within this correction, as I explained, we need to know how to manage, and after the price come to this high, we should know about the bigger picture. May we will get, may what happened. All right, anyway, this is just information. The only thing says no, we only need to look for this correction. First things, how deep this one can go and how corrective can be, and any buy we take it, we start to trade it. And from now, if we get any buy within this range, we take it. And as long as the price comes to this level, which is this one, we start to manage it. Do we have any trade setup? If I move to 15 minutes, we don't have any trade setup, all right? And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, any trade, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.